Good evening, friends. I am Dayanand Nene from Alert Citizens Forum of India. Today, we shall be talking about one of the most ambitious schemes launched by the Government of India under the leadership of Prime Minister Narendra Bhai Modi. We shall be talking about the Prime Minister's Awas Yojana. Friends, Prime Minister's Awas Yojana is a very ambitious scheme launched by our Prime Minister. It aims to build 2 crore households by the year 2022, which incidentally is also the 75th year of India's independence. So the government has aimed to build 2 crore affordable houses for the people of the country by the year 2022, with an aim that everybody in the country shall have a house of his own, a pakka home which will have a toilet and a 1 BHK flat. Friends, so if you are looking for buying a house, I will suggest that before you finalize with somebody, do have a look at the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana. Friends, the Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana has a credit-linked subsidy scheme for middle-income groups, which is called as CLSS for middle-income groups who have been divided into 2 categories, MIG1 and MIG2, depending on their annual income. The deadline for the PMAY scheme for urban people is March 31st, 2021. Who are all eligible for these schemes? Friends, as I told you, the middle income group has been divided into 2 categories depending on their annual income. The category 1, which is called MIG1, belongs to people who are having an annual income, the annual family income, which falls between 6 to 12 lakhs. And MIG2 belongs to people whose annual household income falls between 12 and 18 lakhs. This means, as I said in the title of this episode, that this scheme, the PMAY, is a boon for the middle class, because anybody falling in the income group of 6 to 18 lakhs can participate in this scheme and be eligible for an affordable house, of course subject to he meeting all other terms and conditions of the scheme. So now let's have a look at the scheme. Friends, for a family to become eligible to participate in this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, there are some norms. The first norm is that the beneficiary family should not own a Pakka house anywhere in the country and should not have availed of central assistance under any other government housing scheme. Then the second norm, which is actually a very good norm for the middle class families, it states that any adult earning member of the family can be treated as a separate household provided he also doesn't own a Pakka house anywhere in the country. It means that your sons or daughters can be treated as a separate household if they are adults and earning and they don't have any house on their own name anywhere in the country. This scheme comes with some very good subsidies. The subsidies for middle income group category number 1 is 4% interest subsidy on a loan amount up to 9 lakh rupees, and the subsidy for the middle income group 2 category is 3% on a loan amount up to 12 lakhs rupees. This interest shall be credited upfront to the loan account of the beneficiary. So friends, don't you think that this income, the subsidy, is going to benefit you in a big way? And that is why I have been saying that this Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana is a big boon for the middle income group, the group which earns incomes between 6 to 18 lakhs.